Hello YouTube, Cube Hamster here with another video. This video I'm going to do a tutorial on the quadruple sticky piston extender with the optional fifth non-sticky extender. As you can see, I managed to condense the circuit quite a lot in comparison to the last video I showed. Not counting the output, which are those repeaters you see over there. It's actually 11 times 11 now, and from the total 121 squares there's only 12 squares, like these holes, that are not being used. It's by far the most ridiculous circuit I've ever made, and I'm sort of proud of it. And I'm going to show you guys how you can make this and use it for whatever purpose you would need it. I also perfected the timing. It extends fast and it now retracts in 11 steps in 2.7 seconds. Let me just show you again. It's no trick. It is this circuit. You can see there's no blocks below it or anything. The circuit is powering these pistons. And in a moment I'll be showing you line by line. Me and Chicken actually. Chicken's going to make sure I don't make any mistakes. And I'm going to just go you line by line, go through it, and show you how you make this. So let's get started. Okay. Like I said, the surface area is 11 times 11. So what I did is I started out with 11 times 11 blocks with wool, and for better reference I added a glowstone right in the middle. Let's start with where we're going to put the input. It's going to be here, 4 blocks on the side, and on the opposite side we're going to have the output, which is 7 blocks, like this. Next step, we can remove some blocks. These blocks don't have any redstone on it. Like I said earlier, there's 11. No, actually not 11. There's 12 blocks that don't have any redstone on it. Okay, so this should be what we start with. Okay, now for the yellow wool. It's actually quite a bit, but has to be done. 3 like this, then near the output like this, like that. Below you make this weird shape over here. There is 2 yellow wool like this over here, 1 below here, 2 to the right there. Next to the glowstone there's 1. Then there's 2 like this, 1 over here and 1 over here in the corner. So you should have ended up with something like this. Okay, with that out of the way, we can continue to the torches. 1 over there, 1 on the north side, 1 on the east side here, 1 on the east side over here, east side here, north and east side here, north side here, and east side over here, and actually east side over here as well. So you should have ended up with something like this. Okay, torches are done, they're in place. Let's start with some of the repeaters. I'm just going to go line by line, sort of. Starting with the outputs. We start with 1, a 3, a 4, and a 4, and another 3, another 3, and another 3. Yeah. Then we got redstone dust here. 3-tick delay, 3 redstone dust, 2-tick delay, don't want it to interfere with this torch, another 1-tick delay because I don't want to make it interfere with that block over there, which is going to have some redstone repeaters connected to it as well. And redstone dust here, and what the hell, you can already put a 2-tick delay over here because I remembered that. Next line, we have 1, 1, 1 to make sure that it does not interfere with this signal. Then we have a 4 and a 2. I guess it could have also been a 3 and a 3 as long as the delay between this torch and this block over here is 6. That's all cool, does not interfere with that. Redstone dust at 3, again no interference with that. Redstone a 1, that's also facing or going into this block, so this redstone torch acts as a NOR gate. Redstone 3 redstone, because I wanted to deliberately cross connect with this signal going into the block. So actually the signal coming from this torch goes like this into the block to this redstone torch, redstone dust. Saying so much redstone, mixing things up. And then a redstone, Jesus, a 1-tick delay repeater. I'd actually like to show you that it cross connects, so I'm just going to remove this and replace this torch, which is bugged out. But as you can see, it actually travels, goes into this block, and then hooks up to this stuff over here. And it's also connected to this, so that's some sort of mixing up signals deliberately. Let me just put that back. But that's sort of the idea of the whole compact circuit. I tried to deliberately cross connect wherever I could, pretty much. Next one, chicken's making sure that I don't make any mistakes. Good job, chicken. 1. I'm confused now. 1 redstone. 1 redstone. You see here I'm deliberately cross-connecting again. So this signal actually also travels there again. So you could say it's sort of like a pulse sustainer going on there. Redstone 2, redstone, another 2, redstone, oh, 2 redstone. And what you can already do is you can grab a lever, drop it on this little black block. It's gonna power the entire circuit. Redstone 1. Another 1. Redstone. This looks weird now, but I'm actually gonna connect it over there. Then it looks less weird. 1. Redstone 1. Chicken, you're too far away. You can't see me making any mistakes. Yeah. Next one. Dropping at the north side a 1-tick repeater which powers this block and does not cross connect with the redstone over there, which is very fortunate. Then below that we have a 2-tick delay. Then facing the opposite direction from this redstone torch, we send a 1-tick delay into this block. Then I'm going to skip these 4 over there. I'm going to go over here from the lever going west, or I've actually no idea where north is, just calling it west. That's north. And then from this redstone torch, a 4-tick delay that sort of goes around the corner and does not cross connect with these 2. That's why they're there, actually, to make sure no bad things happen. Then from from this redstone torch we also put a 4-tick delay that goes into this block. And then we have a 1-tick delay that's sort of going into this block, actually cross connects over there and goes over there. Cross connection is awesome, just stating it. Then we got some redstone dust on top of that, and that must look weird, so let's just already put it like this. At the start, this block is a bit faster than that one. It's very important. But they're sort of, yeah, they're sort of on a similar pace, those two outputs. That's why I can mix them up so nicely. But there, we got 2 more takes to go, and then we're done. Next up, this line has a lot of redstone. Hook this up, those two. Hook this up as well. Then when we go down here, we're gonna put 2-tick delay repeaters there, which are gonna get powered by this block. Then behind this block we also put a 4-tick delay. And now we're gonna add an orange bit, which is a bit higher. And that sort of allows me to power from this repeater power to this, power the redstone repeater below, and actually go above the redstone repeater over here. Redstone dust, a 1, more redstone dust. Note that this piece of redstone does not cross connect with the torch like this. That's just how they work, which is very fortunate. And rain. 2-tick delay heading in there. Actually, I think I know the other line already as well. So we're just going to do this in 1 take. 4-tick delay. This is going to be the longest delay in the circuit. And next to that, a 1. It's a piece of redstone. And this redstone repeater powers this block, which then cross connects with the long line over there. Goes over here to make this act like a NOR gate, which then goes over here, which then goes over here, which then goes over here. And I think this is a 1. I'm gonna check in a moment, but I think that's a 1. And this should be a 4, and this should be a 2. That looks, I don't know, it looks good. Let's test it. So we're using sticky. I'm gonna start with 4 sticky pistons. And I don't know, I always add glowstone whenever thingy moves. It's just my thing. Oh, I forgot something very important. There's also more orange stuff over here. Almost forgot that. Wow, that worked. Extends that piece, and we have to put a torch on top of that, and a 1-tick delay repeater, and 2 bits of torch. And oh, please work. Okay, that's the easy bit. Crossing my fingers. There you go, it actually works. Wow. Quadruple sticky piston extender. And if for some reason you require a fifth non-sticky piston, you just go to the corner, add some wool, or if you're doing it on the server, whatever, add a piece of redstone with a 1-tick delay repeater, and just add this on top of that, and it should work. There, so that's I actually had to look it up, but they call that quintuple. The quintuple comes after quadruple, apparently. I didn't know, my English is not that good. But there, you got your circuit. In my next video I have a very cool idea for this circuit, for what you could use it for, and I'm gonna leave that to my next tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please, I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos. Please subscribe, rate this video if you like it, don't like it, let me know, and comment if you have any questions or you just wanna make a response. Thank you for watching, and have fun with all your current projects and any wiring that you're doing. Bye bye.